Hi friends, welcome to Auditology with me, your friend, your guide, CA Niket Thacker. Now, we had a very special request about one term and that's why we are covering that term today. So today we are going to do a word called as assertions. The word called assertions. Now, before I go to the word assertions, let me share the benefits which you have at Unacademy. Very small slide for you. See, one subscription at Unacademy gives you multiple benefits. Yeah, just one subscription you take, you get lots and lots of benefits. One, you can attend live classes. So all subjects, they go on live, you can attend live classes. Sir, what if during that batch time I missed the classes or the batch is already over, now I came. You have an option to watch recorded. You have an unlimited viewing right for the recorded ones. For each subject, you have multiple educators. Imagine you have three educators. You can choose anyone which you like. Automatically, you come, you can see the lectures of all three, and whichever you like, you can continue that faculty. Dedicated doubt solving sessions are there, and we also come series as well. Short tests are there, which are absolutely free, and yes, big tests are also being conducted. So one subscription gives you multiple benefit, and I take two subjects at CA final level, CA final FR, CA final advanced auditing. And I take one subject at CA intermediate, I'm taking auditing. If you're taking CA final group 1 subscription, you get access to FR lectures, audit lectures, normal as well as both. Told you one subscription gives access to each and everything to you. What are you waiting for? Take up a subscription. You can use code Yashish. You will get special discount. Now coming to today's word. Assertion. This was a special request from one of the student. What do you mean by the word assertions? Now, assertions are nothing but the representations by management, which are there in financial statements. The representations by management, explicit or otherwise, means direct or indirect, which are there, which are embodied, means which are there in financial statements. Now see, simple thing, whenever there is some figure in financial statement, is trying to represent something. I tell you a simple thing. Tell me, in your financial statement, you see building is 50 lakh. In financial statement, building is 50 lakh. Now tell me, who is telling building is 50 lakh? The management, they prepared financials. So management is trying to say, sir, building is there. Building is there, that is nothing but existence. Sir, building is ours. This is nothing but rights and obligation. So one management is trying to say, sir, we have a building. Building is there. That's existence. Second, they are telling, sir, building is ours. That's nothing but rights and obligation. Third, the management is telling the value of building is 50 lakhs. That's called valuation. Fourth, sir, 50 lakh covers all building. 50 lakh covers all building, nothing else. That's completeness. That's completeness. And sir, whatever buildings are purchased in this period, they are recorded in this period. Whatever buildings are purchased in next period, they are recorded next period. Usko bolte hai cut off. Cut off is related to period. This period's transaction are in this period, next year's transaction are in next year. Usko bolte hai cut off. And sir, we have presented building appropriately. Ab check karo, under PPE we have a building. So they are telling, they are representing, we have presented building appropriately. That's presentation. Just imagine when management says building 50 lakh in balance sheet, they are trying to represent something. We have a building, existence. Building is ours, rights and obligation. Total value of building is 50 lakhs, valuation. Sir, 50 lakh is the total value, nothing else. That's completeness. Building purchase in this year is in this year, next year is in next year, that's cut off. And sir, we have presented it properly. That's basically under PPE, presentation disclosure. So these are all balance. This many assertions management is representing. This many assertions or the representations management is making when they say building is 50 lakh. Now imagine management has written sales is 5 crores. Okay, management has written sales. Sales kitna hai? 5 crore. This is the sales which has occurred during the period. These are the sales by the entity during the period which has occurred. So can I say it's occurrence? We cannot have existence sales. Mein. Existence hota hai assets and liabilities. Rights and obligation is also assets and liabilities. Valuation is of assets and liabilities. Income statement, there will be occurrence. So sales occurred during the year. Sir, all sales are recorded. All sales are recorded. Nothing is missed out. Completeness. 5 crore is the total sales. Nothing is missed out. So this year's sale is in this year. Next year's sale is in next year. Can I say cut off? Both. Sir, the sales are measured at a proper value. Like suppose GST is not included in sales. GST is included separately as a GST payable. That's measurement. And so sales are presented properly. Like Schedule 3, revenue from sale of goods, revenue from sale of services, other operating revenue, we have bifurcated. Sale of goods separate, sale of service separate, other operating revenue separate. So presentation disclosure is proper. Imagine when management is telling sales 5 crore during the year, it's done by entity is 5 crore occurred during the year. Sir, 5 crore is the total sales, not without completeness. This year's sale is in this year, next year's sale is in next year. That's called cut off. Then sales is measured properly. Value, measurement, valuation for P&L item. Valuation word is always for balance sheet items. यहाँ पे word आएगा measurement. It's measured properly. 100 rupee sale, 18 GST. 18 GST is not included in sales. Bill 118. 18 has gone to GST payable. And sir, it is presented, disclosed properly. Like sale of goods, sale of service, other operating revenue, they are proper. So whenever balance sheet के अंदर they put something representing this all things. P&L में they put something, they are representing